Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe at your home. Myself Preeti Nautiyal and I am your biology teacher. From today onwards, I am going to teach you biology. But before we start bio, we should know that what is biology. Up to class 5th, we have only one subject, that is our science book, okay? But as we reached in class 6, the science book has been divided into 3 categories, that is physics, chemistry and bio, and we will study the category biology. Now the question as I asked to you earlier, that what is biology? So bio is a branch of a science, category of a science, okay? It is made up of by 2 words, bio plus logos or logi, okay? Bio means life, life means living, okay? And logos means study. So what we conclude from here? Bio is the study of living organism, okay? In your ICSE, we have this book. The author of this book is Lakmeer Singh and Manjeet Kaur. It has a content include 8 chapters, and we will study the first chapter, that is leaf, the leaf, okay? Now let's start. First of all, living things. What are living things? As we all know, living things has growth and development. They respire, respiration करते हैं, okay? So if we asked for example for living things, what we say? Plant is the best example of the living things, right? So each part of the plant has its specific functions, okay? Parts of a plant include root, stem, leaf, fruit, flower, okay? Its parts has been categorized into 2 parts, okay? First of all, root part, root apex, and shoot apex, okay? Now the question arises, what is root apex? The root portion, the portion below the ground, is called root apex, and the portion above the ground or above the soil is shoot apex. So shoot apex include all these parts: stem, leaf, flower, fruit, okay? The parts which are above the ground. Got it? Now, as we know, each part has its specific function. So what is the function of the root? Root absorb water and minerals from soil, ठीक है? क्योंकि ये कहाँ रहती है? ये soil में रहती है, और root क्या करती है? उस soil से minerals और water को absorb करती है, okay? Now come to the stem. What is the function of the stem? First of all, we know that stem is a link between root and other parts of the plant. Got it? It holds the plants upright, okay? It holds the plant in upright position, and also carry the water and minerals which root has been absorbed in it to the other parts of the plant, okay? रूट ने जो भी अपने वाटर एंड मिनरल्स को अपने में एब्जॉर्ब किया है, उनको फर्दर अदर पार्ट्स में स्टेम ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है, ओके? नाउ द थर्ड पार्ट इज लीफ. व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द लीफ? Nothing. It has only one function, important function, that it prepare food for the plant. What I said? Leaf prepare food for the plant, okay? So it is also known as the kitchen of the plant, okay? Now come to the external structure of the leaf. Okay, first of all, as we all know, leaf is a greenish broad part of the plant. Okay, so it is attached to the stem. स्टेम से लीफ आपका अटैच होती है, ये ग्रीनिश पार्ट होती है प्लांट का. ओके, इट्स स्ट्रक्चर इंक्लूड लैमिना, लीफ प्लेट, veins, petioles. Got it? And each has its own importance. Now the main and biggest part of the leaf is lamina. What is lamina? Lamina is this whole greenish part of the leaf. ये जो पूरा आपका greenish part होता है लीफ पे, उसको हम lamina बोलते हैं. It is very broad part. Okay, and the second part is petiole. What is petiole? Petiole is also known as leaf stalk. Okay, this one is a petiole. What is its work? Its function is it attach the lamina or leaf to the stem. petiole क्या करता है? जो आपका लीफ है उसको स्टेम से अटैच करता है, लिंक करने का काम करता है. ठीक. Now come to the midrib. As the name indicate, mid, that is middle, that is center. Okay, rib. Now midrib is what? This continuous central continuous structure, this rib like vein like structure, central vein of the leaf is known as midrib. Okay, its function is it also carry water and minerals to the whole part of the or other parts of the leaf. Okay, कैसे? क्योंकि मिडरिब स्टेम से, मिडरिब जो है एब्जॉर्ब करती है जो भी स्टेम ने अपने आप में वाटर और मिनरल्स एब्जॉर्ब किए हैं, कैरी किए हैं, उनको मिडरिब फर्दर कैरी करती है अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द लीफ. Either it is petiole, it is lamina or veins. Got it? Now the last portion is veins. What are veins? Veins are attached to the midrib. These are veins. This. ये जो net like structure है, that is veins. They are spreading all over the leaf by attaching to the midrib. midrib से attach है और पूरी leaf में ये आपके spread हैं as a net. जाल की तरह ये spread हो रखे हैं. ठीक है. These are also veins. This is midrib is also veins. So their function is also same. So the veins also carry water and minerals to the other parts of the leaf. Okay, got it? And the most important is that it also provide shape and support to the leaf. जो shape है वो किसकी वजह से आया है लीफ में? veins की वजह से आया है. Okay, and इनका जो arrangement होता है वो हर एक प्लांट में अलग अलग होता है. Okay, it's not compulsory, but there are some structure of it, different structure of it. Okay, so that's for today's lecture. Hope you all guys, thank you.